look at Teladoc needs a doctor today. Okay, needs a stock doctor.
Yep.
And yet, who loves Teladoc?
Kathy Wood.
Yeah, who?
Kathy Would?
Could you say it?
I did say it.
She did yesterday buy Coin, Tesla, Zoom, Shop, Roblox, and Blade.
If she had bought DraftKings, that would have been good because Caesars is raving. Caesars, do you see what Caesars is doing?
Where's
They're cutting back on
Caesars. This is Caesars.
marketing.
Yeah. It's the end. The giveaways. Everyone who got $500 to Caesars, that game's over. And I think you buy DraftKings on it, and that's a Kathy Wood stock. So I have something positive to say. I'm not just negative. I'm not a negativist. But Palantir. Whoa, Palantir.
She did sell more Palantir. That's the one thing she did not buy yesterday.
Yeah, she got that wrong.
All right. All of which leaves me wondering, so what do I do? Do I start nibbling at some of this stuff that looks cheaper now because of the significant fall in stock prices? You do. Even with the prospect of rising rates, 7 rate hikes, as Solomon told you, 25 basis points, a shrinking balance sheet at the Fed, I still want to nibble here. Because what?
Well, because,
what's a normalized PE for these companies?
Well,
and by the way, the comparisons on some of this stuff may not be that great, right? You had pulled forward in demand.
No, I mean, David Solomon, third time, did say to me, look, the capital markets aren't really as good as they were year over year. They're not going to have an up quarter year over year. They'll be down. Yeah. But why is Goldman selling at 5 times earnings, I ask you? I riddle you.
I don't know, did he mention
the answer is that because the Fed. Hey, I'll give you one that you just
did he mention there's a Blackstone inside it?
No, for the first time, you may be sly, but so am I. But look at Lowe's, okay? Mm-hmm. So Lowe's shows you if you deliver, and Marvin Ellison delivered, you can do okay. I mean, let's go over it. So how did they do? U.S. comps for Lowe's, 5.1. Now, Home Depot was 7.6. Yeah. But after that, gross margins declining Home Depot. You know how much we care about margins, David. Marvin Ellison up 115 basis points. Pro is really gaining against Home Depot. Really, really gaining. And, David, we are talking about some 2-year numbers that are just incredibly exciting. You know, Marvin told me, he said, this is just... really, look, the trends are so promising, raising our guidance in sales, raising guidance.
So much better than yesterday. Home Depot shares got shellacked. Raising
earnings per share. Yeah, Marvin Ellison delivered. Now, of course, you might say, well, Jim, it's because he inherited a company that wasn't doing as well. I say, nonsense. He is doing well. Let's just forget about what it came from. This is the margins, which matter so much in this business, especially with supply chain problems. Show me that Lowe's is a superior company right now.
A superior company.
Superior company.
With comps at 5 instead of 8.
Because there are other things besides comps. I care tremendously about gross margins. And for 5 versus what they would have done in the old days, yes. Marvin Ellison's, you got to go with, it's like Gretzky. Where's the puck going here?
Mm-hmm. Well, that would be an AMD Intel-like shift.
I'm going there.
Really?
Yeah, I'm going there. I think Ellison has turned the ship. The fact that he has these pro numbers up 54% on a 2-year stack. I mean, remember, the pros go to Home Depot. Now, Home Depot Pro is, look, Home Depot's not in trouble. They are a great American company. They raise the dividend. I'm just saying if it's a 2-horse race, you go right now with Lowe's. Now, I used to say that for years. And then Lowe's kind of, I don't know, they went low. Now, Lowe's is high. And by the way, can we just say that a lot of stuff that is home-related has not done well, which shows me that Ellison's shining. You see Williams-Sonoma yesterday?
Williams-Sonoma, Best Buy, Ralph Lauren even.
Yes. And I saw Macy's stock turnaround as the day went along.
Reversal in Macy's. People bought it at 27.28. How they feel?
Stock was up almost 9% at one point during the course of the morning.
See TJX?
No, I didn't actually.
That could be home goods and not having enough inventory.
After the break.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.